guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today you can see my beautiful daughter's here. We thought to have a little fun and let her open a current trend thing just for fun.
LOL.
Yep. And this actually is the first Big Brother and stuff. And I thought it would be fun and something off topic and stuff. And do a kid toy opening. Or what is it called?
Opening toys?
Yeah. You know what I mean. You guys seen it and stuff. The whole entire reviewing current trend toys. So I'm gonna help her open this up, and I'm gonna mostly. Yes, honey. Don't get. So you don't get hurt.
My next question is.
Oh, we're having fun. What's wrong? Alright, so I'm gonna.
This is the LOL O.M.G remix ones. There is a new doll that is called Rock Boy. That's a new LOL O.M.G boy.
Big Brother. It's an unboxing, that's what it's called. We're doing an unboxing.
Yep.
Of a new doll.
Two new dolls.
Throwing. And we got this from Kohl's. My sister's the one that bought it.
And it was on the day for Thanksgiving.
What's your hand? Move your hand. So it opens. I'll show you guys in 1 second.
I'll show them.
Alright, she'll show you. Alright.
I'll show you what it looks like from the front.
And then.
Cool. These play actual songs. It's the remix kind.
And we need to
Besides have the people.
open more. Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh my god!
Hold on, close it.
Okay, we see that we're going to have to open the top again.
Okay.
Like we're opening the ball.
Shh. Hold on, move your hand.
Oh, snap! There's a cool disc in here.
Alright, go ahead and take that. So,
not open it like that.
alright, so when you fully open it, you guys get the records. So here is Rocker Boys.
Rocker Boys disc.
So here's Rocker Boys disc.
Punk Girls disc is right here.
Oh, that's so cute.
Surprise me. And we just get this thing off the side.
It's so cute.
There is. Oh, can I have the horse? There.
Let's see. We may have. Oops.
How in the world do we do this?
Hold on. So we're gonna see. Let's move.
Let's see if this works. No.
No, we may have to pull a switch. So after we pull out the dolls and stuff.
Play your
alright,
song.
so let's pull.
The doll out. Oh, we get the boy first.
Okay.
Ooh.
So they pull out. So here, I'll show you guys how they. So pull that one out.
Ooh, she's stuck in there.
Okay, hold on.
She's stuck. Punk Girl is stuck in there. The world.
Oh, there we go. See?
Yeah, that's the girl I'm singing.
So here's the girl.
And here's the boy.
Oh, let me close her up real quick. And
here's the boy.
That's the boy. How cute is that?
I'm going to show you guys after what these sound like.
Yeah.
The disc.
Okay, so let's.
And the regular disc. This
So let's pull
called
her
Side
out.
BB.
Yeah, there's a switch on here.
He just surprised me. They both surprised me.
All right, so let me have his. Let me see his. Okay. So we're gonna put. I turned his on.
This is a heart.
You guys got to line them up. It's not easy. This is.
I like hers because it's a cute heart.
Oh, come on, line up.
And near the circle, there was like a ceiling there.
What? The hell is wrong with my husband?
You think you're so up with age?
That is the song that he makes. Let's see what she sings.
Alright.
It'll probably be the same, but in a girl voice.
I need to
take
him out.
I'm going to open him.
And
I'm going to start with the girls now. We just did.
Oh, it all interconnects with each other. So let me see the girl record. So I'm going to show you exactly. Let me see the record.
There's her record.
Alright, so.
Yeah, I got the wild side. Yeah, I got the wild side. Yeah, I got the wild side.
And let's see her guitar.
Let me see, hold on.
Oh my fudging god.
Oh, this is not easy to do, guys.
Oh my
Yeah, I got the
fudging
wild
god.
side. And the fucking road star. The grit and the glam. I got the kind of vibe. Yeah, that's who I am.
I can't say this is way too adorable.
Break the rules, never sell out. Scream and shout.
Oh my
So that's the
god.
boys.
This is her guitar.
Where did I see the switch?
I just recognized something.
Over here.
Why?
So there is a switch between the boy and girl. So here's, I think, the girl one. So it doesn't matter which one. Woo! Okay.
I think she got the opposite. I don't know.
Let's see.
She has his clothes, Mom.
Here's her.
What's wrong?
Don't like my
They're together.
So that is their records that play on here. So you can keep this or whatever. And she's opening up all the accessories. And I'm going to take the dollies.
I just recognized something. They both have their accessories in different kinds of ones, but they have them together. Hers had not hers. She had his stuff. His guitar stuff. Mom.
Hmm.
And he had her guitar.
Oh.
And her stuff.
Oh.
I just recognized that.
Look how cool he looks. He actually looks really cool, guys. Where's her? Where is she?
She's in her area right now, right there.
Okay.
And I'm going
So here's now. What's his name? His name is Rocker Boy, and this is Punk Girl.
Rocker Boy and Punk Girl.
Look how cool she looks. I love her hair, guys. So
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go get a pair of scissors so I can cut this stuff
You
out.
want to probably see what there is.
Oh,
This
actually,
is.
I can use this instead.
So, Rock Boy. Oh, wow. This is all their voice line. In this. Mom.
Ah.
Oh my god. That's a fun punk girl and punk boy. In here. I'm shocked. I'm shook. I'm shook.
My daughter is funny.
No, I'm serious. I'm shook. I never seen that. Where's her stuff? Did you take her stuff?
No, honey.
Does she just have that and that's it? Oh my god. Oh my god. This boy has only one thing.
Yeah, because he's a boy.
Actually, a lot of stuff. He has
Okay, so she's
He
an
has
interesting
more
creature.
than ever I can see. He has O.M.G.
All right, she's really got a whole entire grunge punk look going on.
And yeah.
So here she is.
More long hair.
she's got
I can't
really
get
cool
her
look.
out.
Right.
Oh my god.
Her skirt is hecka cute. She's got like a boho braid. And it kind of flops to the side. Here, no, I'll get her. I'll get her. Calm down.
Punk girl. It looks the same like a punk. Get it? Because she's a punk. I like her jacket.
Mm-hmm.
And this must be her guitar. Let's take that off. And
He kind of like almost like, I don't know, he's really interesting looking. He's got a real interesting look and style, I must say. So here's a close up of Rocker Boy.
I'm getting her.
I got him out. He's got like this white streak down his hair, and it's kind of like a blue beige black. It's cool. And he's got an eyebrow that's got 2 nicks on him, which is neat. So got him out.
That's why there's 2 accessories. Because she has accessories too. These are her accessories.
Where's his stick?
Right here.
Okay.
I think this is hers.
It's his.
Red.
It's his actually.
Girl.
Okay. Doo-doo-doo. So,
She's punk ready. She looks back and ready.
so he's on his stand. Here's his stand. So he's all done.
She's like a punk. Look at that punk. Since her brother is Punk Boy. Right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna set him off to the side while I help you with her.
Oh, thanks. I already got her ready.
Okay.
Just have to put this blade hand one in. Can I do his?
He's all done.
No, he's missing his accessories. Those are his accessories.
Okay. And his gracious child. Okay. Sorry guys, just cleaning up as we go so we don't have a huge mess.
There we go. We got a punk girl done. She looks good. She looks good. She's like rocking out in her guitar. She makes it look so cute. That's what she looks like.
Look at how cute her earrings are. She's adorable. Alright, let's put her. Here, give me half a second. Let me get her on her. I'm trying to get her on her platform.
And this is what his guitar looks like. Dang, his guitar looks good.
Oh, she's got some. If you guys can see, they got cute. That is adorable. So let me set her off to the side.
Laughing.
Yep, and here you go.
There we got the punk.
Is this his?
Oh, his. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's got earrings too?
Yep. Punk boys can have earrings.
Mm-hmm. We can keep. Put this inside the one thing.
We got the rock and roll boy. I'm gonna have to twist his head back. Don't mind me. Don't.
Oh, good. I'm just trying to help you, that's all.
I got his His hair's annoying. God, how in the world did they get this cute in hair?
Oh, this goes on to her.
Wait, that does?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, just give it to her, okay?
This is her necklace.
Look at that.
I looked at the picture.
Good.
I'm like, wait, he doesn't have just that. All right, that is such a cute necklace. Ah, it's so cute.
We got the Punk Boys top thing on. Can I open this accessories? Wait. Oh, I can just get them, okay? Ding. Good. Ooh, he has. What is this?
This goes on his wrist.
Oh my God.
This goes in his left ear.
Is
That's his right. This one goes there. That goes on the other side, honey. That goes on the other side. So just as she's getting done, so it comes with this case that you can keep and store them in. So that's her side, that's his side, and you can play their records on here too, which is really cool. They have, I think, this really cool little poster thing. Really cute. It's like their little background or something. And here's another one. So there's two backgrounds. That's really cute. You can put them inside their little compartment. This can be tossed because it's just to cover up, but it's really cool. So this is our unboxing of Punk Girl and Rock Boy. Oh, this is cool. I like to keep, look at how cute this is. I'll keep this for something else to do. I like reading tissue paper. Alright.
that dude is ready for stuff. This is what he looks like. I'm trying to hold that because it's gonna fall.
Alright. Whatever is
What?
Is there anything that goes in that or no?
Nothing.
Alright, so there comes with a stand, two stands.
He's all
And
done
then
already.
there's this little container. I don't know.
Here's
The
I'll
records.
tell you the lyrics.
And her. And here's her stand.
So it goes
Ta-da!
Punk Girl, then Rock Boy, then
Okay.
Punk Girl, and then Rock
They
Boy.
can check them out.
And together. Nice.
So let me put him on his stand again. So this
I want to
is,
show you guys something, okay? Very
What?
special that I want to show.
see?
Here's the lyrics that they do sing.
Alright, so here they are together. And they are just the cutest. I hope you guys like this review of the LOL, what is it called?
Remix?
Outrageous Millennial Girl Remix unboxing, and it's the first Big Brother that has been released, and I hope you guys enjoy this and stuff. And if you want to, you can follow me Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I do try to air 5 times a week, and I thought this would be really cool to do something with her and let her unbox a cool toy that you guys can get for your daughter that's into these things and stuff, because it's really cool and stuff. But I hope you're all staying safe, and we love you all.
We love
Love you all. Until next time, okay guys?
Bye.
Bye.